Good morning children, welcome to the math class. Today we will start exercise 7.2 question number 5. Chapter 7 Congruence of Triangles. We have already discussed about the congruence criteria and we have solved question number 3 also by using congruency or congruence criteria. Now in question number 5, in a figure, the two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent. The corresponding parts are marked. You can see the diagram. We can write RAT equal to which triangle? Triangle here it is not written. You have to find out the corresponding parts of the triangle which is given here by the diagram. Concentrate on the diagram and you can see that which parts are correspondingly equal to the which part of the another triangle. Okay. Look at the triangle RAT. By the sign you can understand that angle R in triangle RAT and angle WOA, you can see that angle R is same as angle O. That's why instead of when in RAT I am giving the name of this triangle RAT, instead of R I am taking the name of the side is O. R will coincide with O, that means R will corresponds with O and not W. R will corresponds with W and A has two marked here. Can you see? Marked of the angle is 2. So A can be corresponds with O. A can be corresponds with O and here you can see T. T can be corresponds with N. Can you see? T can, I am giving a full line. T can be corresponds with, because by this marking we can write this one. That means instead of R I can write, in place of R I can write W, in place of A in that triangle I will place O, and in place of T in the another triangle I will place N. Because of the angles I can see. Now I will compare with the side. See, A and R, the angles are same. In this triangle O and W, A, R, O, W. These two angles are correspondingly equal and they are including side, that is AR. Including side AR is same as WO or OW. Can you see? Two signs are there, two equal sign is there. Here also you can see two equal signs. So can I say that these two triangles are congruent by angle side angle criteria? By using this mark sign, I can't take angle criteria. You know that in previous classes we have already discussed why we are not using angle criteria in congruency. So three angles you will not take. Either I have to take angle side angle criteria, or I can choose an angle side angle criteria of this one, or I can choose side angle side criteria, because this side is equal to this side, angle A is equal to angle O, and AT is equal to WO, AT is equal to ON. So in that case also AT single sign, WO ON single sign. So I can use side angle side criteria also. Which one is easy for you, which one you are feeling comfortable, you can use by this side, but the correspondence of the vertices you have to just find out. Now we have to write the reason what we are choosing here. Solution: in triangle RAT and triangle, in place of R we are taking W, in place of A we are taking O, N. In triangle RAT and triangle WON, we can see that we can see that which criteria you will choose. Okay, you can choose side angle side. You can see that RA is same as WO. It is given. Angle A is equal to angle W. This is also given. And side AT okay, I will not take this one. Angle O is equal to not W, it is angle A is equal to angle O. Angle A is equal to angle O. RA same as WO, and angle A double mark is there, is same as angle O. So angle O and R and angle 8 side AT is equal to AT same as OA. See the mark. This is also given. Therefore we can say that triangle RAT congruent triangle WOA by side angle side criterion. Okay students. Now question number 6. Complete the congruence statement. Can you see the diagram clearly? One figure is given, a triangle is given actually, BCT. A triangle is given where I can see that BA is a line which has been divided the triangle into two another separate triangle BCA, BTA. You have to find out which triangle is congruent to BCA. BCA. Which triangle is congruent to BCA? Now check. In these two triangles BCA, students, first of all you first concentrate on this triangle. In this triangle it is, you can see that BCA and BTA. So many things are given. You can identify any of the criteria, SSS, RHA, SSS, RHS, ASA, SAS, anyone you can select and you can make congruent that BCA with which side? I can see that BC is same as BT because of this sign. I can see that BC is equal to BT. Okay. Now we can see that CA equal to TA because this sign also showing that these are equal, and angle this equal to 90 degree. You can say this equal to 90 degree. We can use RHS also. Right angle hypotenuse, and one side of triangle BCA is same as BTA, right angle, because if it is right angle that means this also right angle, as the whole and sum is 180 degree, this one is 90, the remaining also 90. The right angle hypotenuse and one side of this triangle, we can use this. More easy, you can do this one is equal to this one, they have given this side is equal to this side also given, and we can take BA common in both the triangle. So by using S criteria, I can find out that these two triangles are congruent. Which two triangles are congruent then? BCA is equal to BTA. Now the statement and reason you have to write in this way. In triangle BCA and BTA, which you can see that now we will find out. In triangle, first of all you have to write which two triangles you have selected. In triangle BCA and triangle BTA, which three things we can see here, and we can see that BC is equal to BT, BC is equal to BT. Why? Because it is already given. Next we can take that CAC is equal to 80. This is also given. AC is equal to 80. This is also given. So I will write the reason as given. Without reason, the sum is incomplete. So you have to write the statement and reason the same time. It is both are important. Now BA, side BA is equal to BA, common in both the triangle, Therefore you can say that triangle BCA congruent triangle BTA by which criteria we have used here? By side criterion. Okay, by side criterion. So we can give the answer. Therefore, what was their question? According to the question, we can write in this way now. Therefore, BCA congruent triangle BTA. In this sequence, we can see that BCA equal congruent to BTA. Okay. Now come to another triangle. Question number I have taken given as B. Look at this diagram. Look at this figure. Here PTQ and SRQ are two triangles where you have to find out QRS equal to QRS. See, so many things are given as a part of their congruency. Also, many things are given. You have to select any one and you will verify that these two triangles are congruent or not. Very clearly I can see that this angle is equal to this angle because of this sign. This angle is equal to this angle and side PT is equal to side QR. So I can take this one. I can take side also. See, PT is equal to QR. TQ is equal to, this is two lines are there. So TQ is equal to SQ and PQ is equal to RS. So by SSS criteria also I can do. Which one you will prefer? You can do this. You can use this triangle only in triangle. Now we can see that in triangle, this is the question only. In triangle PTQ, and triangle, this one I have to write in the top of the question. In triangle PTQ and triangle QRS, PTQ, or you can write TPQ. You can write TPQ as P and R are same, T and Q are same. So QRS, they have given QRS, triangle QRS, Q for P, T, Q. We have what things are there? Angle P, number 1. We can write angle P or angle Q is equal to angle T. Angle Q is, so many angles are there. So very particularly you have to say the name of angle Q. Angle Q, so many angles are there. Here 3 angles you can see in angle Q. So you have to write it. RQ is angle RQ is equal to angle T, that is QTP. These two angles are same. It is given. The reason is given again. Now second one, I am taking this angle and this angle. Very clear cut angle. You can write angle P is equal to angle R. This is also given. Side QR, number 3, side QR equal to PT. Side QR is equal to PT. This is also given. Now therefore we can say that triangle QR is congruent triangle PTQ. QR is TPQ, not PTQ. QRA is TPQ. We will say that it is TPQ. Why? Because Q is resemble with Q, same as Q. Q angle, this angle is same as angle T. So angle TPQ. TPQ. Understood? TPQ. By which criteria we are using here? Side angle, angle side. Angle side angle. We have used angle side angle criteria. I hope these are very easy for you, but as you are doing it first time, so you have to practice it. Thank you, students.